Hello, all. My name is Molly McLaughlin. I own a company called Sleep is a Skill that helps people optimize their sleep through a unique blend of technology, accountability, and behavioral change. And it occurred to me recently that because I'm focused so much on sleep, I get a lot of sleep products that come my way. And I feel like it could serve to share a bit more about these particular products and do a bit of an unboxing. Now, this will be my first one. I just happen to have gotten this one recently. So this is no way, shape, or form an order of importance or anything. It just happens to be the one of the first ones that's here. So we're going to do this one. And today, this one is actually from Sleep Crown. Not sure if you're familiar with them. I actually have only seen pictures. I've never seen it in person. So this will be news to me. And then hopefully will be helpful to you guys. So my intention with these is to help one kind of showcase some different types of sleep products that might be of use to you, and then help to give you an idea of what you would be investing in. I know there's so many things that you can put your money towards in the world of sleep, and we want to make sure that it's in alignment with your goals. So okay, all right, so I'm already kind of surprised because I wasn't expecting it to be purple. Who knew? I guess I'm not around the branding so much. So Sleep Crown, an over the head pillow. So let's see what this is all about. And super nice. Um, so I actually had the opportunity to speak with the founder, who's so very kind. I don't know if you can see this. Let's see. Okay. In case you haven't noticed my very technical setup, this is literally because I tried to do it with my phone and then that was a mess. So here we are from the computer. Okay, so let's take a look at what you get inside. So, ooh, it's already really soft feeling. I don't know why I was expecting it to be like heavy or kind of like a weighted blanket feel, but this actually feels very, very plush. And what they say is, okay, so welcome to the Sleep Crown experience. And then you, oh, funny. Okay, so you have a little yes, yes, or no. Oh my God, I've got to really update my tech, don't I? Jeez, Luis. I don't know if you can see. Okay, can you see this? Yes, yes, and no. So those are the two different ways, or sorry, three different ways, I guess, that people might be trying to use this. And then they have some of their social media stuff. Made in Austin. I'm headed there soon, so that makes me excited. Anyway, back to the product. Okay, so you take it out, and I guess this is like your travel little sack. And then, and what is this? Let's see. Ooh, all kinds of things. All right. So because I'm 5. Let's see. What do we got in here? Okay. Ooh, soft. Everything's soft so far is the experience. Okay. So then this is its cover. All right. So we can do that. And then I have no idea what this is about. I guess like a aromatherapy type of setup. Let's see. Sleep Crown Pillow Mist. Fun. Again, 5. Lavender, sandalwood, and lime. Neat. I haven't actually done a good pillow mist in quite some time. So that is actually something I'm super into. All right. So then the $1,000,000 question. I know I'm supposed to put this on, but for this, I'm just going to quickly. So, all right. So I guess what will happen is I'll be sleeping like this. And then, well, I mean, obviously not. And then you go over the eyes. So like that. Um, and what's interesting about this is it does have a different feel than a normal pillow. So I don't know if you can, can you feel this? But it really does have a nice give to it. So I could imagine this being kind of a mold, like mold it to your face experience. So I'm going to test this out, and then I guess that will be kind of the next part of these unboxing is then the revisiting. But for now, so that I don't make it too much of a big deal for me to create these, I'm going to just start with the unboxing, and hopefully even just the seeing of it is valuable for you in your kind of sleep journey of optimizing. Again, so many things we can invest in. I grew up having very little money and certainly not spare money to put towards many things, let alone sleep optimization. So I do want to ensure that anything you are investing in, that it is going to fit your results and your goals with your sleep, and is going to be worth the expense. So this is our first unboxing, gives you a sense of what this would be, what you would be getting. And then we're going to dive into others. And I would love to hear if there are any in particular that you would like to have a focus on. And then we'll, figure out some sort of revisiting videos to then see the results. But thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out sleepisaskill.com for any of your sleep optimization needs. We have a weekly newsletter every Monday. We have a weekly podcast that we may even be moving to two a week, but certainly at least one a week. And then lots of different resources on the website itself. And my intention is to help as many people as possible with their sleep. I was someone that used to have really not great sleep for many, many years, which I'll certainly be sharing more on this channel as well. But in the interim, the point is just that I would like to help facilitate creating a dialogue and really transforming the conversation around sleep. And so please, don't hesitate if you have any questions, comments around your sleep. Please reach out. But I hope that this was helpful to get a little insight into what exactly you'd be getting with a sleep crown. And so I'll have to report back on my experience with it. But so far, I'm intrigued.